family. I hope everyone is doing okay. I am finally trying to get my voice back, and I am so glad, especially with Christmas upon us. I had so many recipes, you guys, as I had stated before, but we're going to do them for the new year. You know, you really can't have a YouTube page without doing macaroni and cheese. And I got to show you guys my collard greens with cornbread. But right now, I'm going to do just a quick wine spritzer, you know, for your guests that's coming in for Christmas. I know a lot of people will have to work the day after. So this is pretty light, you know, and it won't get them toe up. Okay, but what you're going to need, I got Chardonnay Pinot Grigio. You guys, I hope I be saying this right. So this is a 70 ml bottle. And I found this wonderful juice called Wassail, a spice holiday libation. I found it at Trader Joe's. Oh my God, you guys. It is so good. Let me read some of the things that it has in it. It's a beverage blend of apple, blackcurrant, and lemon juices from concentrate infused with holiday spices and orange peel. And when you mix this with the wine, wow, it's really good. And last but not least, my daughter was telling me about some cherries I had never heard of. They're called Luxardo, and they're these deep macerated cherries, you guys. I'm just going to show you the difference between these cherries that have been macerated and just regular cherries. I want you to see that deep color. It almost looks, whoops, kind of dropped some there. It almost looks like a plum. It's so deep, but it is so rich in flavor. So we're going to use some of the juice of that and also the cherry. And this is just your regular maraschino cherries. You see how light that is compared to this one? How this is just that deep dark. It's really good too. Pretty expensive, you guys. So, use this sparingly. All right. So I have my little shaker here, and I'm going to put in 1 cup. I don't know why I should always have this off before I start the video, because I'm always wrestling with it. See what I mean? So we're going to do, no, I'm sorry. Let's do 1.5 cups of the Chardonnay Pinot Grigio. All right, let me go to the light. Because I'm going to make 2 of these nice little glasses. Okay, there we go. Nice light wine too, not real strong. All right, let's shake this up. This is the winter Wassail, and we're going to do 1/2 cup of this. So let me put this up here. You see how it's just kind of a light pink? Okay. We got that in there. And next we're going to do 2 teaspoons of the Macerino cherries, the Luxardo. So we're going to use this wonderful thick juice. Look. I'm going to show it to you guys when it's going down. See that? We're going to use 2 of these. Okay. Can't waste this, so I'm going to put the spoon in there to stir that off, okay? And these are the little glasses that I'm going to be using, which are so cute. I got at Michael's, which they were 75% off, so I think I paid $2 for them. And they are jingle juice. So this will be your Christmas jingle juice, all right? Cute little glasses. Like I said, I think I paid $1.50, so I got about 4 of them. All right, so we're going to take one of these cherries. And we're going to just drop it in this glass. Then we're going to take another one. Drop it in this glass. And now, baby, we are going to shake, rattle, and roll with this. All right. And I want to thank all of my new subscribers, thank all of my old subscribers, and thank you guys for really being patient with me. You know, trying to get the YouTube videos right, head cut off, forgot to edit the content, forgot to add the content. You guys, I really appreciate you guys just sticking with me while I go through this. And I'm about to pop this off. Okay, there I go. All right, let's just fill it up. Look at that. Wow, that is gorgeous. Kind of got it just a little uneven, but I think I can fix that, you guys. Let me go back this way. There we go. And now what we're going to do is just add a mint leaf. That was pretty simple. But I promise you guys, if you try this, it is oh so tasty. I want you guys to see this. And see that beautiful cherry in the bottom? Once you finish drinking it, just eat the cherry. Again, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys who have subscribed and stayed with me. The better I feel, the more I'm going to come back on. But I am going to come back on. Hopefully, I'll try to do it tomorrow or Monday. And we're going to do some collard greens and cornbread. God bless you, and I'll see you soon. Oh, wow. Really light and refreshing. And I forgot to add, make sure your wine and your winter wassail is cold.